How to use Zapier as a complete beginner. Hey guys, welcome back. Today I am going to be showing you how to use Zapier. How you can do automation and create workflow using Zapier. So let's get started. First, what you have to do is you will simply go to the zapier.com and you will get to this platform right here. Zapier is an automation platform that allows you to integrate more than 5,000 applications and you can do automation, create your own workflow really easily. First of all, you will have to create an account on Zapier in order to get started now. If you do not have an account, you can just simply go to sign up button right here and it will allow you to sign up for Zapier designing. A process for Zapier is really easy. You can sign on with your Google account, Facebook or Microsoft. You can also go ahead and use your work email, add your first name, last name, and then you need to click on get started for free. And you will be able to use it for free. You can also go ahead and get a premium and get a 14-day free trial. So I will simply sign into my Zapier. Once you sign in or sign up to separate, this is where you will get, and now using Cyber is really easy and we can integrate all kind of applications to our Zapier. I am using the free plan. So on Zapier, what we do is we create different zaps, that what it's called, and if we click on create zap, it will allow me to create a new zap. For example, create a new workflow, create a new automation. So here we have our new zap that I can create. First of all, I am gonna give it a name. Let's go ahead and create a zap for my work. So I am just gonna call it as test work. Alright, now we have to select trigger. A trigger is an event that starts your zap. So I will have to select a trigger. For example, when I will enter a new task in Google Calendar, or when I will upload a file on Google, or when I will create a new email, that's going to be my trigger. And then an action will be taken on it. So that's how we do automation. Let me show you. It sounds a little difficult to you. You just have to select what you need to add. First your trigger, let's go with Google Calendar. Now that is going to be my trigger. So we have our trigger here, Google Calendar. What I can do is I can choose a calendar, and that what I can do is I can just select that. When a new event is created or when an event starts, when a new event is created. So I am going to select event start and I want to actually send email to my team members when an event will start. So that's what I want to automate, because I will be in the event and I will be hosting that event. On that meeting, I just scheduled on Google Calendar. Now I will not have to send everybody separate emails. So that is why I need to do automation. I need to create this trigger on Zapier and automate my work. So I have added event start and I will click on continue. Here I need to sign in with my Google account. So for this, click on sign in. Here you need to choose an account to continue to Zapier. After that, you have to tap on continue. Now I can an event. So this is my Google Calendar right here. If you already have an event, you can just go with that, or I will just simply create an event now for calendars. I want this event to happen 15 minutes before the meeting. I want to send these emails 15 minutes before the event starts. Now time before, again, we are just going to select if it's going to be in minutes or hours. So I have selected minutes. And then we have search term. So I am going to search my meeting. Then here we need to click on continue. The next step is going to be adding an action. So click on action and it will allow you to. Now select an action that will be taken when the event will start in Google Calendar. So I will scroll down and now I will go to Gmail. Because this is what I want to do. This is where I want to perform the action. I have selected my Gmail and now I can choose what I want to do. I want to send email, so I will click right here. Now tap on continue. For connecting Gmail, here you need to click on sign in. I am going to sign it with any Gmail. You can just sign in with any of the platform. Here we choose an account to continue to Zapier. It will take some time. It will happen just within seconds. I have connected my Gmail and I will click on continue. Now to where I want to send this email, I can go ahead and I can add an email list or I can drive an email list. Here, if I want to send it to more people, I can insert data here. Then we have from option in from, I am just going to enter my email address. So here I am going to add mine. Then we have a subject, what I want to send. So I am just going to go ahead and add the subject. So this is going to be my subject that I want to send an email. Then we have body type. So this is going to be plain for the body. And then we have body required. I have to enter the data and this is where I will just write my email. And I am not going to write too long email. I am just going to write the meeting is start. So the meeting is start, kindly join. So this is how we simply write an email. Once it's done, you can just go ahead and click on continue. You can give it a test run if you like to. You can send yourself a test email and it will show you if that happens or not or what kind of email you will be receiving. So for now, I'm just going to skip the test. So I'm just going to save this track because this was just like a test work that I created. Now you need to click on the arrow at the top left corner. I'm just go back and create more zaps for myself. And I have created a zap for my Facebook. Now you need to click on dashboard here. They will give you recommended workflows that a lot of people use. For example, Gmail and Drive, Gmail and Facebook. We have Instagram and Google Drive. We have Google Calendar and Gmail. And we have Facebook and HubSpot. So you can create these different recommended zaps. Then you need to click on zaps. Here you need to click on this plus button to create a folder. It will open like this. You will give the name to folder by your own self. Now close this folder. Zapier provides pre-built Zap templates for common workflows. You can use these templates as a straight point and customize them to fit your specific needs. Remember that Zapier supports a wide range of apps, so you can create zaps for various purposes. To signing data between different tools. The key is to identify the trigger events and actions that make sense for your workflow. Here you need to click on Zaps. Now click on this plus sign to create a folder. Now here I am adding title for my folder, which I am going to name as test work. Now tap on done. Zapier provides support through documentation and customer support channels. Learning resources include guides, webinars, and tutorials. At last, you need to click on Dashboard. Zapier empowers individuals and businesses to save time, reduce manual tasks, and enhance overall productivity. Zapier brings to you unlocking new levels of automation to propel your goals forward. Thanks for watching.